To find the surpluses, we always start by finding the equilibrium point first, which of course is done by setting the supply and demand curves equal to each other. This equation turns out to have two solutions, and there's a lot of messy algebra on how I got those. If you'd like to analyze that, hit pause now. You'll notice that one of the answers has a negative x value, and if x is the quantity in thousands, x being negative 5.5 or 5,500 doesn't seem to make a lot of sense to have a negative quantity, and so we'll disregard the negative answer, and we'll notice that x is 3/2 or 1.5. Now, if we plug 1.5 back either into the demand curve or the supply curve, we'll get an equilibrium price of $135. Notice that 1.5 is 3/2 here, same thing. It's worth noting, though, that in real life, this 1.5 quantity, the equilibrium quantity, since it's measured in thousands, represents 1.5 thousand, also known as 1,500 units of quantity or sale available. So now that we've found the equilibrium point, we can as usual find the surpluses by finding these areas, which we can set up this way. It's worth noting that the 45 answer that we got is actually 45,000 because our x-axis is measured in thousands. And same for the producer surplus. Doing the integral gives you 36, which represents a consumer surplus of 36,000.